All right, we're going to plant cantaloupe in the rest of this row. We'll go down there. I'm not sure how we'll go, but we had started some, put them in paper towels, get paper towels wet, put them in bags. And we're down here, we got the cantaloupe. It's growing. So we're going to take and we're going to plant those. And then we got some watermelon, and we got another bag of watermelon. We'll plant some of those in the next couple rows down. So the first half here would be pretty much vining plants, and then we'll plant the rest down there. So I'm going to go plant these, and we'll get these in the ground so we can start getting them watered. We planted these I think just about a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to open this up and let you see. I can get towels to open up. You can see on the back of there where the roots have actually gone through the paper towel. So I may not be able to do much with getting them out. There we go. We got that one opened up. You can see how much that sprouted out. So I'll get that sprouted. And I think I'll do is I'll just kind of, I won't, because it's starting to grow through the paper towel. The paper towel will decompose anyway. This one, it's got some green going on it. Now that last part there's 4 cantaloupe and then a crimson sweet watermelon, and these 4 are orange watermelon. And I'll start those in the next row once I get that ready to go. All right, we're gonna do the next one here. And come over, it's right about where, well, here right about where it's gonna be at. And I found a good distance from this one that set up is there, 2, 3, 4, and that's where I'll put the next one. All right, the last one we planted it was like a solid green one that got like 30 pounds a couple years ago. We just had one seed that left. I planted at the end. The other 3 before that is rattlesnake. I'm going to go in and get some more seeds to plant into there, because those were really good watermelons. They get really big. Like I said, they get 50, 60 pounds on some of them. That is the package for the watermelon we put in. Not the very last one, but the 3 before that was this one. There's not many seeds left in here, so I'm going to go ahead and plant the rest of them. There's seven seeds left. All right, we're done with that row. And that's all the stuff we have going here.